Today I'm participating in a challenge. I am so excited. This is a YouTube challenge. It is hosted by two ladies that have fabulous channels, Heidi and Maria from Artsy Cupcake. Check out in the description below. I have links to both of their channels. Today's challenge is titled Dollar Tree Fall Floral DIY. Everything has to come from the Dollar Tree, so I am going shopping. Okay, I got some great items. I can't wait to get started. I'm going to be designing a door hanging. I'm going to call it a wreath, but it's not really a wreath. It's just going to look. Design today is going to be great for when you have like a little space between the front door and either a screen door or a glass door, and you don't want your piece to look like a nice piece. Very low profile. This is going to be very fast, very easy, and very economical. I can't wait to show you. I also can't wait to see what my other YouTubers are doing out there. There are so many creative and fantastic people out there coming out with great ideas. So I am going to link the playlist in my description below that will house all of the other links to the projects that everyone else comes up with. I can't wait to see what's out there. I am so excited to get started. I saw this tray at the Dollar Tree and I thought it was a perfect size and a perfect shape to create a door hanging. It's going to look like a wreath. I'm first going to sand this just a little bit because I think the high gloss is taking away from this wood tone. So I'm just going to take a fine sandpaper to it and take off some of the sheen. And then I am going to cover the perimeter here with these leaves, that maple leaves, and I love the colors and I love the detail on them. They had some really nice texture. So I finished gluing the leaves on the front. I think it looks now a lot less like a tray and more like a sign. I put some of the leaves on the back just so that it looks more full. And I'm going to be using one of these. I'm going to use this welcome, this wording here. And I think though that there's not going to be enough contrast. I am going to paint this to be one of these like burgundy colors because there's not, that silver against that background is not going to stand out. And also I just want to mention that I will have a link in my description below to the playlist for everyone participating in this challenge, and also the link to the two hosts, to Heidi's channel and to Maria's channel. So while that dries, I'm going to make a ribbon, and I'm going to use this burlap ribbon in this natural color, and then also this other type of burlap ribbon. This one is wire rimmed and this one is not. Okay, I added another little tail under there, and then I just put a ton of glue on there to secure it. It's finally staying. Okay, and now just for a little more interest, I'm gonna make a tassel, maybe 2 tassels, and I think I'll just go around, I don't know, maybe 10, 12 times. Almost done here. I have my little welcome letters here, and then just to give them a little height, I'm going to take these little ends of the maple leaf stalk, and I'm going to just pinch those off and then glue them around just a few places on the side so that it has a little bit of depth. And then I think I'm going to glue it down kind of a little lower right here and on an angle. This is my final piece. I want to thank Heidi and Maria for hosting this challenge, and I will link the playlist in my description as well as the links to both of the channels for Heidi and Maria. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Who is chewing on the ribbon spool? Oh, you.